In this preschool lesson, students will review rhyming words. And we're going to go ahead to our first page of the lesson, and you'll see that several words have been typed onto the page ahead of time, and that the teacher is using the Spotlight tool. And just to bring up that Spotlight tool again, it's just a little flashlight in your toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. And the teacher can use their pen to move these words around. And so in a lesson like this would be a whole class activity, and the teacher would just highlight different words that all end in the at sound, and then have students repeat the words or say the words, and the teacher might have to help with the beginning sound. So in this case, with the word bat, the teacher might need to go ba, and then the students would repeat bat. And the purpose of this is just to review the words with the ending of the AT sound, at. On the next page of this lesson, you'll see that the page is just blank, and what we're going to do is go ahead and split the screen into 4 sections. And we're going to activate 4 student pens, one into each quadrant of the screen. And you'll see my pens light up as my computer recognizes them. And we're just going to drag one into each box. And the students will need their ink samples for this. Now, they can click on the ink sample that's in their palette, but there is a little bit of a shortcut to that I'm going to go ahead and use. So to activate the student pen, or to activate the ink on the student pen, all they really have to do is click the eraser twice, and you'll see that my student pen in number 1 has become the pencil feature instead of the move tool. And so on this part of the lesson, the teacher might divide the students up into groups and ask them to illustrate 2 of those rhyming words. And when the group chooses their 2 words, the teacher can then come in and type those words into their box. And so perhaps a group of students said that they were going to illustrate bat and hat. And so once the students have chosen their words, they will then just come in and illustrate those using their student pen. And so they might draw, and their drawing may not look great since they're little guys, but they can certainly do this. And so they might draw a bat and a hat. And that's a simple way for the students to be able to review rhyming words. And this was a great lesson created by one of our teachers who actually teaches a preschool class.